Notepad. Notepad is like sticky note. You can use this system here instead of writing everything down on a piece of paper and get it scattered around on your desk. So fill in information in each of these columns. It'll put an automatic date in, today's date. It puts it automatically on the scheduler. And you can take it off from the schedule if you like. Again, this hook indicates the associated field has a shortcut. Double click on it and it'll show you the details in which you can certainly write and put in more info. Oh, my writing is very bad today. The follow-up tab is a little bit more detailed and has also an archive follow-up tab associated with it. So once you put in data in here, as you can see, there's a today's date as a default value which you can change. You can create your own follow-up priority list, priority 1, 2, 3, or 4, and choose from it. Contact email, put your memos in here, your notes and action. Memos are more likely to be meant to be short. In the notes and action, you have a little bit more you can put in this field. You can actually also use it for quantities and values, the date you want to have it done by. And then if you like to take it off the scheduler, as the default value is putting it on, you can take it off and it will not appear on it on the scheduler. You can also archive it, and since you archive it, we assume it's done. And when you archive it, notice you have two values right now, no value here. But if I click in this field, for example, and hit F5, it'll refresh this tab and it will take this value in. At the same time, it will disappear here. Will let us refresh it by clicking F5 and it will be disappearing. Now we can also unarchive it. Same thing, F5, follow up here, go in here and click F5 and it will be back in this field. And since we have put it on the scheduler, by clicking on scheduler, let me put this back in the center here. I'm working with a bigger screen and I always need to update scheduler, then I'll see these values back in here. There, Notepad. Notice that Notepad is colored red, projects are colored slightly green behind a yellow background. All of that has a meaning. Sales has a different colored background. Purchasing has a different colored background. This helps to distinguish. Notice also that in the scheduler here, it'll give you the word today. So it's easier to target, or after a week from now, yesterday. So it helps us to target faster what we have to work on. Getting out here brings us back to the main tab, admin, and here were our follow-ups and follow-up archive.